In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your user profile in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward, yet essential for keeping your team's profile current and professional. A well-maintained profile helps colleagues recognize you and engage more effectively, so let's dive into how you can update it easily. Firstly, begin by launching Microsoft Teams on your device. Once Teams is open, you'll see your initials or current profile picture in a small circle at the top right corner of the window. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This step will take you into the Settings section of Teams, where you can customize various aspects, including your profile. Now, once you're in the Settings window, you'll find a tab labeled Profile. Select this tab to view your current profile information. Here, you can change your photo, name, and any other personal details that Teams currently displays. If you decide to update your picture, click on the Change Picture link. A new window will appear where you can upload a new photo. Make sure this image is a clear representation of you, as this picture will be your main identifier in Teams. Accepted formats typically include JPEG or PNG, and keep in mind that square images work best to ensure your face is centered. After updating your picture, you might want to edit your name or any other personal details. Simply click on the field you wish to update and enter your new information. It's important to double-check for typos or errors, especially in professional environments, where clarity is crucial. Don't forget that some details, like your job title or department, may be managed by your organization, which could require reaching out to your IT department if you see anything incorrect that you can't update on your own. Once you're satisfied with your updates, ensure that you save all changes before you exit the Settings window. The Save button is typically located at the bottom of the screen. This step is crucial, as failing to save changes could mean having to re-enter information. After saving, close the Settings window to return to the main Teams interface. To confirm that your updates are visible to others, hover over your profile icon again. You should see your new profile picture and updated information reflected there. Remember, keeping your profile current helps foster stronger communication and collaboration with your team. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Teams profile is fully updated. This small yet impactful change can enhance your virtual presence and ensure effective communication with your colleagues. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy teaming!